Hey guys, good morning. Danny Jackson here. It is 5:30 in the morning and I just got done with my run. I'm still having a struggle with this time change, so I'm up early. It's actually been good for me because I'm getting so much done inside my business that I wouldn't normally have the opportunity to do because I'd be sleeping. But now I'm up and I'm able to shoot videos and write my blog and get an extra hour or two in the morning of what I need to get done to get my business going. Now, that brings me to my topic of the day, which is maximizing your time. Now, if you know me and you follow my YouTube channel, then you know that I still work my 9 to 5 job. And me working my 9 to 5 job is a choice. I know some people choose to quit their job and go hard in their business, but I really still do enjoy working my retail job. It's not something that I'm going to want to do well into my 60s, but it's definitely something that I still enjoy doing now. And with me building my business while I'm still working, it's going to allow me to retire early, travel the world, spend more time with my family, which is what I'm looking forward to doing. That being said, with me working that 9 to 5 job, I have to learn to maximize my time. I have to learn how to use every extra minute that I have and put it into my business full on. I have to give it, I still, even though I'm tired from working those 9, 10 hours, I still have to bring the energy to my videos, to my blog. It really is, it's all about enjoying your journey. And I really do enjoy doing what I do at home, and I enjoy what I do in the mall. So really what it is about for me is scheduling. I have to be really, really tight with my schedule. On Sundays I have to maximize every second that I have extra and put it into my business, which means I have to schedule out my videos. I have to schedule out my blogs. I have to schedule out my social media postings. It's everything is on a calculated time. And it doesn't mean that I'm not enjoying myself, because I really am. It just keeps me focused on getting the income producing activities I need to have done inside of my business. So really what this is all about, you guys, is if you are working a 9 to 5 job and you're building an online business at home, a network marketing business, I just want to encourage you that yes, it can be done. You just really need to focus and maximize the time that you have available inside your life, where it's not taking away from your family, it's not taking away from your 9 to 5 job, but it's not burning you out, and you're not giving your clients and your business half ass time. You need to still give them, you need to bring the energy when you're training, when you're doing your videos, when you're writing the blog. So just make sure that you are, I'm going to say it again, maximizing your time. Use every minute. I want you to feel like you're getting something done every day, and I want you to feel good about what you're getting done inside your business. I want you to feel good about that video, feel good about that blog. Make sure you're just getting something done for you a day and something done for your business. And I hope you take that to heart. If you feel good about my videos and what I've got going on in my channel, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to continue to have you follow me. Connect with me on Facebook, and we're actually doing an amazing 100% free lead generating system that I would love for you to check out. You would just need to go to the link in my description box, click it, register, check us out. We would love to see you inside our group called the Wealth Tribe. We're doing lots of big things in there. I hope you guys have a great day. Maximize your time. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day. Have a good one. Bye.